That wasn't very loud. Let's do another one. That's better. Yes. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the newly rebranded Code with Pumpkin. We thought really that's why most people come. So we might as well call it that. Yeah. Good to see you all here. Hla Cho Tut from Burma. Is that right? I hope so.
I think so.
I'm sure that's right. Yes. Alana. Yes. Dave. Yes. Craig. Lovely. I wonder who is furthest away today. Yeah. Let me know where you are. Pumpkin is awake. Yeah. He's been asleep all afternoon, so expect lots of activity. Yes. Let's take a look at the challenge. Michael, are you excited? Yes, I am from Burma. Good. I had a temporary mind blank. I don't know why. I knew that.
It's the heat.
It is extremely hot here.
Yeah, it's plus 26.
Yeah, it's more than that. So,
It must be. It must be plus 26.
this is 24.
It's 24. Okay.
It feels a lot. I think that's wrong. Yes. Okay. Got a button situation here, which I can't do anything about.
No.
No, I can. Ooh, hello, Sue here. Ruth, yes, hello. FlexMT, hello. It's 29 here. Oh, crumbs. That's too hot. Yeah. Okay, so, Michael.
Right, yeah.
We are making
Right.
social media for cats.
Woohoo!
Yeah, I'm excited. It's going to be awesome. Cat basket.
Awesome.
And what we have is
Cats.
an array of cats, which we have to render here.
Okay.
And we have a div with a class of container. And then this cat basket div is where they're going to go.
Fair enough. Okay. Well, let's do it.
I actually have made a little plan.
Right.
Although I've now lost it. Here it is.
Plan.
Wire up.
Basic functionality. Okay. That sounds like a plan.
Let's just show this on the screen. When my screenshot eventually loads, here we are.
Okay.
This is the plan. Wire up basic functionality.
Yeah. I don't think you're sharing the screen now.
Oh.
Oh. Oh no.
Okay.
Yeah.
Never
Okay.
mind. I am now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cool.
Yes. Wire up basic functionality.
Yeah.
Add a like button with Google material icons and wire up. Add a dark mode. And then for some reason,
Song of the day.
I think the heat must have got to me because I wrote dog of the day.
Oh. Well, the last one was really easy to do. I can tell you that.
Yeah. Anyway.
On the cat social media.
I don't know why I wrote that. You know,
Cool.
It's the end of the week and it's getting a bit exhausting.
Okay.
That's my excuse. And
Okay.
I am sticking to it. So how do you feel about this, Michael? Dubious.
Yeah, no, it's all right. Yeah, it's all right. I'm not entirely sure what you have planned for the like button and stuff, but I guess your initial requirement of wiring up basic functionality sounds really not ambiguous and straightforward.
I told you what it is.
And literally
We've got to render these.
Yeah, literally any developer would just get on cracking with the code straight after that when you say implement basic functionality.
Okay, well, I understand what we're doing.
Good.
So we're going to start with grabbing this element.
Yeah.
I reckon.
Oh, Pumpkin.
Const. Oops.
Let's get rearranged.
Cat. I don't think he will stay. Aren't you hot? Cat basket equals
really.
document dot. The element by ID equals. No, not equals. This.
Yeah.
And then let's do the old console log. Don't you think?
Yeah, sounds good.
Cat basket.
Wow, look at that.
Looking good.
You've upped your JavaScript game.
All thanks to Pear's course.
Nice.
It actually is. I'm not joking.
Very good.
Scrimba JavaScript. This is what I have started. What he just trashed.
Nothing. Close to it.
It's all very nice. Oh,
Oh.
lots of other people coming in. Cal.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie. It must be a really good course if it's doing help in such helpless cases. Now I think Pear needs to make a CSS course to help this helpless case.
He has good ones. Yeah.
Hmm.
And the Flexbox. So anyway, now this is inspired by Dave's code, which, well, this is really annoying.
What is? Oh, the
thing.
pop-ups.
Yes, which helps me to render the solutions here. So thank you, Dave, for that. Anyway, let's crack on. So
Cool. So,
I reckon we have our array of cats.
yeah.
So what we can do is cats for each
Yeah.
cat.
Okay.
We can call that anything, can't we? We could call it like snuggle face.
Well, I mean, not every cat will be a snuggle face, so I think cat is good. Yeah.
I think every cat's a snuggle face, right? But anyway, yeah, cat's good enough.
Yeah.
Now, how's that font? Seems a bit small.
Uh,
Okay, that's because I wasn't completely zoomed in.
okay.
And then we have basically the three things we need to render.
Just open the slide.
Are the image and the name. So not three, two. the name and the thumbnail.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
This is good.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So
you need to create a card, presumably. Like every cat should have their own little card. So like their profile in their social media, right?
Like yeah.
So it's more like,
it's not really a profile because,
well, it is. It's like, when you go to Facebook or something, it's your profile, right?
Yeah, but it's.
So you need.
Anyway, we're bike shedding here. Yes.
Fair enough.
The document.
I disagree with you. We're bike shedding.
Create element.
Yeah.
This is going to be a div.
Okay.
Yes, and then card dot class list.
Yeah.
Dot add.
Yeah.
This will be the class that styles my card. Well, the cat's card, which I think I've already made. Or did I? Oh, I called it profile.
There you go.
Well, I think we should rename it because it's not a profile.
Okay. But now, what's HTML?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, and then this gets appended to cat basket. Append child.
Yeah.
Card. And away we go. Oh, I haven't. Oh.
What?
I don't know. Why is it not working?
Refresh the page.
I'm still. Right. This can go. Yes.
Creative card list. You've added profile, and now you have cat basket. You have appended, but that's like that card doesn't have anything in it. It's an empty div.
Yeah, but it should have this anyway. Maybe it is the lack of content. So if we continue, it should.
Yeah, I think it is.
All right then, let's carry on. Yes,
Because you can just go to index.html and create a dummy card.
Tom Chance says it's 27 on the Exeter River.
Oh wow.
Oh, some of this code looks familiar. Yes. That's because you wrote it effectively. Your JS says add profile class. Does it? Ah, yes.
Ah, okay.
Thank you, Dave.
Nice.
I'm not appending content. Not sure what that means. What if I need to worry?
Well, you haven't appended the picture and the.
Oh, right. Yeah.
Content.
That's coming next. Yeah.
I mean, your room is actually pretty hot. I'm not gonna lie.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's actually pretty hot.
It is hot. Why use class list instead of set attribute class name?
Don't
know.
I mean, there isn't really any difference. So that attribute is just a method where you can set. It's like, so the attribute allows you to set any attribute you want.
Yeah, I've used it for things like the source on an image.
I think actually your add
something else, but yeah.
I think your add class list is a function that wraps around set attribute anyway. It just passes class straight in.
Does it automatically?
Yeah, it basically add class list is, if you look inside of that function, it's probably set attribute class anyway.
Dave says set attribute will overwrite any classes already on that attribute. Oh, yeah, I have heard that before, actually. So, yeah, if you did that, you would then lose anything you already had. Whereas add class wouldn't. It would just be additional, I believe. Yes, thank you for clearing that up. Okay, let's continue to the pick. I thought I just left then. So basically, the pick is more of the same. Except we want const pick document create element image.
Yeah.
And then pick add a class list, which I guess I've already made. Yes, pick.
Should be a pick.
Yeah, because I wanted people to have a good crack at the JS and not worry too much about CSS. Pick. All right. Whoa. I need to set the source.
Yes.
Pick dot source and then equals cat dot thumbnail.
Yeah.
We have one pumpkin, not in the right place, and we don't have the others, which is oh, interesting. So they need to be. Oh, I have appended it.
You haven't added your pick inside of your card though. So you add a pick to a cat basket as a separate one. So you have created 3 cards on line 24, and you have added 3 picks separately. So what you need to do is you need to probably instead of cat basket on line 29.
No, it goes into card. Yeah,
it goes inside of a card.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, that makes total sense. Yeah. You can set attribute to a list of classes too. Card button big text, for example.
All right. Yeah.
Is a framework or CSS better? We always say it's best to learn CSS well, and then it's much easier to use any other framework, because you might find yourself in a job that uses a different framework to the one you have. But if you already know CSS really well, then that won't be too much of a problem. Yep. After doing so much CSS this week, JS looks like an alien language. I must go back. I've got an alien sound.
Oh,
Wow, that's
cheesy
long.
sounds.
It's called Invasion. Yeah. I
Right.
can answer that CSS is fantastic and can be better with a framework. Yeah, totally. Okay, so now the name, which is even more similar, right? Const. Oh, I'm going to go with what I previously called it, if I called it anything. Maybe not.
Subtitle. No? I saw there was.
Ah, yeah. It's not really great, is it? Let's call it name.
Well, name is ambiguous.
Cat name? What do you think?
I thought subtitle was alright. Because it's not
It's
the
definitely
subtitle
not
on
a
the code.
subtitle, is it?
Well, okay, then, yeah, cat name, I guess. Profile name. Or card name.
Is it going to be cat name?
Cat
I
name,
reckon.
okay.
Document.create element H2. And then, hang on,
yeah.
something's gone horribly wrong here.
Yeah.
What am I doing? Cat name.
So
Dot
cat
class
name.
list.
Yeah. The class list add.
Cat hyphen name.
Yeah.
Don't need this.
No. And then you have cat name. But card open child. Yeah. But then at the same time, what's no, you actually you have replaced pick source, but what's the text? You haven't added text to the element.
Oh.
Not there. Delete on line 28, delete that space.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah.
This is what is in Michael's head.
That's right. Exactly.
Yes. So we got to do cat name.
Presumably.
In a text.
Yeah.
Cat dot name. Yes.
I'll probably. What's that?
Wait.
So with cat name in a text, you probably want to say like append text or something. I can't remember now.
Yeah.
There is like a method that allows you to add text to. Just Google it quickly.
Google what?
JavaScript.
Google something. I don't know what it is.
No,
but
JavaScript. JavaScript method to add text to HTML element.
That is in a text, no?
There should be a method.
Wait, what? To HTML.
Yeah, that'll do. Yeah, the first link will do. Yeah, that should do it. And let's scroll down. Ooh, look at that. Create text node. Probably not that. Text content.
But what's wrong with what we have?
Probably nothing wrong. I just wondered, if there is. Whoop. This chair is really tiny.
Dave says the method is text content. Yeah, text content is better.
Is it literally? So many tabs again.
4. It says you. You've had tabs open since before we met.
Nah, I've bought laptops since then, so they must have been closed.
You transport them over.
That's true.
It's text content.
Well, anyway,
Look,
let's go.
It is.
Yeah, text content is good enough.
Look, this is building muscle memory for me because Per was talking about it.
Nice.
Somewhere in here. But I can't remember where. But he was.
Yeah, there is one.
Text content.
Okay.
Okay. It's not better. It's just another way of doing it. Yeah. Oh no. Didn't code last week. Got a fever and infected COVID-19.
Oh wow.
Oh no. Sorry to hear that. I hope you're feeling better.
Yeah, for sure.
Seeing code, like what David said. Alien language. Yeah. Okay. So that is the first thing of our plan.
Wire up basic functionality.
How do you edit with? Well, I'm not going to edit, but
You're
yes, it's done. Add a light button or add a dark mode. I think we should add a dark mode because that's easy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Ugh.
Well, except I seem to have closed the browser.
It's there.
It's not.
It is.
Where?
Yeah, click on that.
Ah.
Oh, crikey.
It's the heat. Oh, Michael knows I'm not great with heat.
No, and with the heat, we're talking like 30 degrees. You know.
Yes.
Dark mode, Leanne.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, crumbs. Yes, no, it is easy. It's not really a dark mode. It's actually a media query.
It's more like, you know, in heat, you're a bit like a goldfish, but in heat, it's like really like a goldfish.
This is also from Dave. Maybe Dave, maybe you just should replace me. I don't know. Media prefers dark. Oh, what is it? I think prefers dark mode.
Say what? Okay.
It's a media query, and then body will have background black, I reckon, and then card
Oh, I see.
will have background, I don't know, navy, just for starters. Let's see how that goes. Is that right? And to test, we will do this.
Oh, so it actually is like system.
Oh, it's because I'm in full screen. Michael, the computer's going mad. Okay, here we are. General.
Honestly, it's like watching my grandma.
Dark. That did not work. I have probably set it up wrong. Prefer, yes. Prefers color.
Oh, really?
Scheme.
There's more words.
Dark. There are more words, yeah, but look, it's going to work now.
Oh, I think it worked without. Did it delete those?
Yes. Oh no, but now
The text is
we
gone.
have a problem here. So we need to sort that out, and we can do that with H1. So H1, oops, no, not in the JS, in here.
Yeah, I think it's H2.
It's not. These are H2s.
Oh, I see.
This is the H1.
Oh, okay.
Color, white. Cut basket.
Wow.
Wait.
So, okay. So when you toggle it, so when you, okay, so it's like on Apple, obviously it toggles on its own, depending on daylight hours or something.
Well, that's if you do the auto one. I think.
Right.
But dark, it would always be like this, and then light, we go back to luminous yellow.
Wow. I did not know that that's what you do. Okay.
Neither did I.
Wow, that's amazing.
Until Dave made a accessibility form.
So here, if you want to toggle it, then what do? Do you toggle prefer mode?
No, I don't think you can. I think you would have to, these classes, I guess you would make like dark body, dark card, dark H1. Not sure if this is the best way of doing it. And then toggle those on and off.
Right. Interesting. I'm suspicious of that answer, but it's interesting.
Yeah.
I hope that there is an easy way of doing it. Like, what if it's like a CSS variable? Maybe toggle CSS variable. Oh, I don't know. Although I bet there are like hundreds of different ways. First color scheme, there you go. Wow. But that's like on Mac OS.
That's what we already have.
That's on Mac OS. Custom properties may be useful. I see. Oh, okay.
Yeah, but we want to toggle it, I think. So how to toggle between dark and light mode? W3 skills.
Yeah, but I think that's with custom stuff. Like that's, you add a CSS class and you remove light mode and stuff. Oh. That's like old school. I
thought that's what you wanted.
Well, I thought that's how you implement dark mode. I didn't know about media query. Fair enough. So it doesn't work on Windows.
I think it does.
Does it? I mean, it's not like we can test.
Media, queries, prefers, color scheme. See what the old docs say. Prefers color scheme. I mean that only tells you the browser. So it doesn't.
I don't know. I mean, yeah, just Google. Does it work on Windows?
I'm pretty sure it does. That looks like Windows. I mean,
well, that
I don't know
doesn't.
what kind of
I think
code.
that's a history. I think that's a history of dark mode that you're reading.
Yes. Can I use prefers color scheme?
Support on both desktop and mobile by Chrome and Edge. Version iOS. Okay, so presumably it's actually it's not just Windows, but sorry, macOS. Okay.
It works on any device with that preference in the system. Yeah.
Okay.
So you have to have the ability to toggle. Yes.
Awesome.
Hello, Shreens.
Wow.
Okay.
To be fair, I didn't even know that Windows has dark mode or any other mode.
Really? Yeah. So.
Okay.
Now we will add icons. Are you excited?
Icons, and then we can add like. Okay.
If you want to use Google Material icons, you must first go into this deeply hidden. Oh no, where is it? The link.
I think it's up there. There.
This, yeah. You must first load this into your project.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it won't
Cool
render. Bit annoying and not very well explained in the docs, but there we are. And then you can icon away. So let's have a look. Heart. Or maybe cat. I reckon we should do cats. No cats. What?
Is there? Oh no.
How can they not be? Why are they all? I feel like I'm missing something here.
Animal?
Okay. Pause.
Pets. Fair enough, that'll do.
It's not really clear though. Yeah. Okay. But yeah.
That'll do.
How to do this? Okay. First, I will load in the HTML just to see what happens. Oh, okay. This is a tricky thing with
Hang on, what is this?
these icons. Because
it's right there at the top. There is a word that says pets.
yes, it's because I have loaded basically the standard ones, as it were, but this is an outlined one. So to load this, I need to material icons plus outlined here, and then save. Woohoo! I have a pull quote.
Okay, so there is a pull at the top. Yeah.
There is, yeah. And the reason it said pets is because in the icon, the name for it is pets.
Yeah,
so
that's right.
Just enters the name. It's in it. Yeah. It is really deeply hidden. It is. Yeah. It's madness. Yeah.
Is it? Is it?
Well, it is really. It's not clear where to do it. Oh, you can emulate color scheme without actually switching it in your system. Just open DevTools, press Ctrl-Shift-P and type show rendering, and then you'll find emulate CSS prefers. Oh, really? Where was that? Open DevTools. And then Ctrl-Shift-P, so open up the old, and then show rendering.
And then
I feel like maybe I don't have something loaded.
you need to click on that little thing. Yeah. Oh. Okay, fair enough.
Do you know what that means?
Not sure. Show rendering, then you will find emulate CSS. Oh, okay, there, rendering. There we go.
Oh, paint flashing.
Emulate CSS. You just scroll past it. There we go. No emulation. No, the next one. There we go.
Wow. Good to know. Thank you for the tip. FLX EMT. Yes. Great stuff. Okay. To the heart. So what we want to do is in here, each one should have a heart. So I reckon, yes. My thinking is ID equals heart. I don't think this is a great way of doing it, but
why heart? Hang on, what? So this?
No, it's not
pet,
heart, is it?
It's
paw.
the paw.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's a better way of doing it, but let's.
So what are you trying to do? Just talk me through it.
Const paw equals, and then I'm going to grab it.
Yeah.
Document dot get element by ID paw.
But every cat needs to have a paw.
Oh.
So it's like if it's like a like button.
Yeah.
Is that what you're trying to do?
Yeah. I need to create element span. Don't I?
Yeah, I would say so.
But then somehow I need to.
Can you actually put this span where you want it? Oh, I see. You can't put it because it's dynamically rendered. Yeah, okay. So you need this.
And then set the class to be this.
Correct. Yeah, and then inner text to pets to get that thing rendered. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, not cat name. Paw dot class list dot add is this.
Okay.
And then paw dot inner text or text content.
I think it should be text content, yeah.
Equals
and then it's
paw.
a string. No, it's pets because you need to.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And then basically this.
Paw.
No, card. Oh, no.
It was yeah.
Card. Paw.
Paw. That's right.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Well, now you just need to style it properly.
Yes.
Yeah.
I've just realised this isn't going to work.
Why?
Because we need a filled one and a not filled one, but we've only got this. Although I guess it could change colour, couldn't it? Do you see what I mean?
Yeah, but that's
I think changing it.
No, you just say filled over there.
Yeah, but
so that's outlined, and if you pull filled icons,
there isn't a filled one. They're all the same basically. I think we can just change the color of it, and that will be okay.
Fair enough. Yeah, let's do that.
Hopefully. Oh, blimey.
Yeah, what are you trying? When you say like button, do you mean like just change the color of the paw, or count how many times someone clicked on that paw?
Oh, for now, let's just change the color of it.
Okay.
Change to red on click. Yeah, I think that sounds good.
Okay.
Or hot pink. Yeah.
Or hot pink.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, but first, we got to sort out this. So in here, whoops. Just going to give this.
Oh wow, you can actually override those CSS styles. Oh yeah, I mean that makes sense.
Margin 0, maybe? Or maybe padding 0. Or both. Nope. Get the old dev tools out.
Well, the span has been added. I wonder if you want to.
We just have the span on its own, I guess.
Yeah.
Which might not be that good.
Yeah, so you probably want to add it into your H2.
Or just give H2 take H2's margin away.
Or just wrap the whole thing in a div. Or actually, no, never mind.
There we go. That'll do.
Okay. Fair enough.
Gotta ship it. Oh, it's a bit too close. So we'll do padding 0.2 ems. Yeah,
Okay.
that's a bit nicer, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oops.
Whoops.
Wrong one. Okay. Yeah. Change that to margin bottom 0. Yeah. I think we needed both in the end. But yeah. Cool. Right. So now I'm just going to test the color. Does it change it? Yes. Oh, that's not very easy to see, is it? Maybe
Maybe not hot pink.
Maybe not hot pink. Red. Well, that's not that great either.
How would you find out what's a good color?
Could be pink.
It is.
Or we could get the old DevTools out once again. That is not good. So we can click on here and it will suggest things that would be good.
Really? That's a good contrast.
The blue one. But that doesn't really
Improve.
show that I like it as such, does it? What's this? So we could start with this and then go to white. I think that's good. So it's this color, basically invisible. Although I think I might make that like 20%. And then when you click it, it will look like this.
Yeah. Well, maybe white, as you said, for
I feel like
better.
Quite pink, but a bit, maybe this.
And does it actually tell you? Oh yeah, it does calculate contrast ratio. What's the good contrast
not
ratio?
So good, is it? This one then. Yeah.
It looks like with that background color.
Like this. So this isn't unliked. This is liked.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, Ryan Food says black. Let's give it a go. Ooh.
Yeah, very nice.
I think that's nice. Yeah.
Why do DevTools not suggest you that?
I don't know.
Surely it's like the best color.
Yeah.
For contrast.
You would think.
Oh well, okay.
Anyway, thank you for the suggestion, Ryan Fu.
Yeah,
that would
nice.
be very nice. So
You can probably delete the span from the top of a page now.
Yes. Need to now write some JS.
Yeah. Oh right.
So
you haven't covered that in the module yet.
No.
Well, fair enough. I guess
have.
you need...
We need an event listener on them, don't we?
Yeah, you just need to add. Whoops. You just need to add a pour, add event listener, and then on a click, you want to. Well, you basically need to pass a function, which is, I guess, just like.
I think we should call the function high pour instead of high five.
Okay, high pour. Oh boy, that's dreadful. Okay, and now.
Well, add event listener. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's bring focus back. Yeah. And obviously we just want to add, I want to say function high.
Is it all the way up there?
Because it's better to declare a function before you use it. High pour, and then you say, was it toggle class list or something like that, isn't it?
Yeah. Pour.toggle class list, and then class can be called high poured.
Is it? Or is it? I think it's
classlist.toggle actually. Yeah.
Yeah, but what class are we toggling?
Well, we haven't got one yet.
Ah,
We
okay.
need to make one. I think we should call it Kitty Love.
Why are there all these different names? Okay,
Well, what
because
should we
just,
call it then?
well, probably let's just call
HiPod.
it. Yeah.
HiPod.
Yeah.
Okay, HiPod, and then over here we do, yeah, in here, HiPod, and then color is black. You can just move that commented out one.
Right. Oh no.
Error, unknown error.
Oh no. Whoops. I forgot something. But I can't remember what. So let's have a look. That's it. Actually, right. Whoop.
Are you sure the function should be up there?
Yeah, well. Should be all right.
Have we actually told it to do that though? I don't think we have. Maybe we have.
So, HiPod. There we go.
What's that?
Console. Unknown error. Oh well. I mean, I can actually just drag the function into the event listener.
Yeah.
That should.
Do you need the dot in the toggle?
Ooh,
Oh no, I don't think we do.
maybe not.
Yay! Wait.
There we are. Bip, whip,
Oh no.
bip. Yeah, cool. Yeah, I think that's actually a little bit. Actually, I don't need to call this function anyway, because when I pass it, I can just make it anonymous. So
Yeah.
that's all right. There we go. Perfect. Ta-da! Adorable. Okay, and what else did you have?
Dog of the day.
Dog of the day. Well, that's done.
I don't know what cat of the day would actually look like.
Yeah, I don't know. What were you thinking when you were writing it? What if it's a cat of the day?
We could look at some of these for inspiration.
Sure, let's go. Why not?
This one.
Oh, it's about cute dogs.
Yeah, really cute.
Oh, they've got like hashtags and stuff.
I like this one.
Fudge.
Yes.
Jasper. Oh, actually, I used to work with a guy who had a spaniel called Jasper.
Isn't that a retriever? Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, apparently I don't know dogs.
So we could do that.
It's easy with cats because they're like cats, and that's kind of it.
We could. Oh, this looks really difficult, and we only have
Bug box.
15 minutes. Yeah, the
Fair
bug
enough.
box. Aw.
Bug box. Dog basket and bug box. Well, that's actually quite clever.
Yes. Alternatively, we could add more cats.
Well,
I think we should try to build the dark mode with a toggle.
okay. Well, I mean, you've got 40 minutes left. Go for it.
Hey, pumpkin with a crown. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, that can be what cat of the day is.
I see. You just add like what?
Which is a bit like this. But with a crown.
Okay. Yeah. Well, fair enough. How did you actually do that?
Well, Dave did it.
Oh, okay.
That's why he's got
How did Dave do it?
this. Don't know. So look, can't remember now.
So I would imagine it's probably an emoji that text transform of some sort on it.
Oh yeah, that's how he moves it.
Yeah.
But how has he actually added it? Just as a paragraph, maybe. Can't remember. So look.
You can have a look in DevTools.
I could, but I've opened this now.
Right.
Okay, fine. DevTools it is.
You can move it to your screen.
Yeah, having some
Heat.
image. It's an image. No, that's not.
No, you should probably click on
Submission winner.
so it's an overlay. Is it?
No, it's the after. Something like this.
Interesting.
Very.
Oh, I see. So it's like content after. So you add a class that says winner.
So we would add a class.
Yeah.
That says
Cat of the day.
cat of the.
No, cat du jour.
Cat of the day.
Oh, come on.
Okay. Well, I don't know if it's do or the. So I'm going to stick with cat of the day. After.
Yeah.
And then content. Crown.
How do you do that?
Press FN.
Oh, right. It's a function button on Mac. Oh, wow. Okay, fair enough.
Yes. Position absolute.
Yeah.
But then the card would need position relative. And we need to. Oh no! How are we going to add it?
Oh, just add it as a class to all of them, just to see.
Just to make it work.
Yeah. Or maybe you like the first one.
Okay. Well, let's. It will be on the card. I think will be.
No, you can just say cats at the end on line 45. Just say cats.
On line 45.
Yeah. Right. Cats. And then brackets for bracket 0. There you go. So that's your first element.
Yeah.
Now you can just say dot. Yeah. Classless dot add.
And then not the easiest class name to use.
But it should be in quotes.
Should it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It should. Yeah. Cannot read property out of undefined.
So
I think it's because it's here. It's outside, although, yeah, I don't know why that would matter.
Oh no, cat! Oh, crikey! That's the JavaScript, right? So you just need cats is the JSON, so you can't really add anything to it. It's so it's your card. So when you get all elements by class, which is a card. You follow? You follow me? No. So you add a class to every single card. So now you just need to get a card.
Oh, look, Alana says card 0 dot add class.
Well, anyway. Let's just add it to all of them so we can see. Whoops. There we are. And yick. Card. Let's add that. There you go. So that added crown.
Yeah.
And
what you guys did, but it didn't work. Weird.
So you want. So this card, presumably you want it like at the top or something?
You should be able to move it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here, see what the old top 0 does. Okay, that is good. Left 0.
Yeah.
Now, height. No, it's not height then. Oops. Font size.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then transform, rotate, 45. Minus 45. Yeah.
Ah, nice.
Hey. Yeah.
Fair enough. And then I guess what you can do is actually go to JavaScript and add it when you bore someone. That's you choosing it. So just move this.
Like Dave said. In
yeah. Ah, there we go.
Oh no, it's not when you pour it. That's something else. Because you can pour any number of them. But there's only
Okay.
one cat of the day.
Well,
So
in that case, you just add it.
in here it would be cat of the day, and then true.
Oh, I see.
Obviously, because this one is pumpkin.
Okay.
Although it doesn't like that.
You need
Because
a
it hasn't
comma.
got that. Yeah. And then
And the comma on line 5. Well, sorry, no comma on line 5.
Oh.
Yeah.
And then cat of the day. I'm sorry, Snuggles. Today is not your day.
You can really just, I think you can skip that. Because if the property isn't set, it's defaulted to false.
Okay.
So you can test it. So now go down and say,
Boolean, not Boolean. Conditional.
So, if. You can do it right after the cut, probably.
So if cat of the day equals true, then oops, it's wrong there.
You need cat of the day because you're iterating. Scroll up a little bit.
Oh right, yeah, okay.
Yeah. So you're iterating over every cat, and also it's 3 equals.
Oh, I thought that was 3.
Right.
Really strictly equals.
Yeah, like I mean this. Yeah, and now you can.
Now that goes in there.
Yeah.
Oops.
Oh, that's right. You just need to indent it, Dan.
Indenting it won't make any difference.
No, you need. You still need to flip these lines, 28 and 29.
Oh.
Yeah, because you flip them back. Indent that line and yeah.
It has worked.
Oh, there you go. There we are. So you basically have, so if you do skip inside of JSON, if you do skip a property, it's defaulted to false.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we don't
You can
need this.
take that. Overlay off.
No, I won't. I will continue to celebrate.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cool.
Lovely. Oh, interesting.
Yeah, that's pretty nice.
But then I guess the reason you would have it there, if you could choose another cat of the day somehow in the code, you would need to have that, wouldn't you?
Yeah, well, to be fair, you would fetch this data structure from the database probably. There you go. In which case, that property will be set for you anyway.
Yes. Whoa, pumpkin has been thrown. Yes, indeed. Yay. Could even call the property actually, it should be because it's a Boolean.
Yeah, fair enough.
Is cat of the day. Still works. Great news. So now, to finish.
Oh, that was funny. Oh, look at that.
It would be good to have an animation.
You live and learn.
Keyframes. Round spin. Now that is this. Rotate 360 degrees. I'm missing the at.
I think it's something else.
I always have to look
there's
this
a word
up.
missing.
Scrimba animations. Every single time I do an animation, I have to go to Jad Khalidi's course and look them up. That one? Yeah. Oh, yeah, you need to tell it from and, yeah. So, from this to this. $360. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin. Yeah, totally. And now I'm going to pinch this shorthand here and put it in here. Animation. Oh no. It's not grow, it's crown spin. Yes.
Wow. Wow. I mean, honestly, it's so easy.
I don't think we want infinite necessarily. I think 5. Is that 5 or how do you? CSS animation iteration count, I think it is. 2. What is that? Or maybe I changed the. Oh. Oh, okay. It's because it had already done 5, so it wasn't. Yeah, that makes sense. Maybe 10 then. Lovely. Yes. So this is our weekly web dev challenge.
Fair enough. Very good.
Yeah, that went well, Dave, as you said. Great. Why
Very nice.
are only 35 people attending this amazing stream? Good question.
Oh yeah, I know. Ooh, hit the like, subscribe, and what else do you do? Ugh, I keep forgetting every time. I keep forgetting what.
That's all, isn't it? I'd be happy with liking and subscribing.
Yeah, fair enough. That'll do. That'll do. Yeah.
I don't know. Usually we get more than that.
And tell all your friends.
Maybe we're has-beens now, Michael. What do you think?
Yeah. Whatever.
It could be. We've had our 5 minutes, as my mother likes to say.
That's good enough.
It would be great to see your submissions here.
Definitely.
We have an alien one, we have many cat ones, and we have a dog one.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you want to make your own with any animal or species, go ahead. You have until 1 p.m. BST on Monday. And there is the link to the challenge.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, totally. And if you enjoyed this stream, you will notice, well, I should have mentioned.
Would you win if you participate?
You win. Well, the most important thing is you win
eternal glory.
Yeah. This.
For a week.
No, forever.
Oh, forever. You're going to win that trophy forever. Yeah.
Yeah, you get that.
Cool.
And then you get Scrimba swag,
Almost.
Scrimba subscription.
Yeah, almost forever.
And
like, unless you break that code.
Other things. If you enjoyed this, send out a tweet with Code with Pumpkin.
Oh, that's lovely. Oh, you started a hashtag
Yes.
Code with Pumpkin. Oh, that's sweet.
Oh, Shrins has sent one. Or will be sending one soon.
Ah, fair enough.
Looking forward.
Wow, Code with Pumpkin is a proper hashtag. I didn't
Seen
think of that.
Yeah. More people when it's raining. Yes, that's true. Leanne, registering works on my site now. Oh, looking forward to that.
Yeah, because Dave started his own cat social media website.
Yeah.
What was the link?
It's not public viewing.
I see.
Yet,
It's like closed demo.
but I'm sure we will be seeing it soon.
That's nice.
I love this spinning crown.
Yeah.
Finally, the recognition he deserves. Where is he?
I think he's somewhere here.
I think he went downstairs. Don't know. Yes. Ooh, and on Monday, we will be looking at all of these. Not this, wrong channel. This one. Yes, this one. We'll be looking at all of the submissions. Unless we get really a lot of them. We'll look at as many as we can. Anyway, in our live stream, the weekly web dev show. Yeah. And here's Pumpkin.
Ah, there you go. He went to sit on my cushion.
Did he? Okay.
Yeah.
Well, have a lovely weekend and looking forward to seeing your brilliant solutions. Yes. See you soon.
Oh.